What's up, guys? Psycho Ward here. Hold up. Okay, you guys did not see that. Uh, yeah, Psycho Ward here. I already said that. Okay. This is Demolition Nuketown, as you can see. Using the MSMC suppressor and grip with flak jacket. Yeah, I got raped right there. Flat jacket. Toughness. Fast hands. No, not fast hands. Scavenger, tactical mask, and dexterity. I did not shoot him because I thought I was gonna run out of ammo and die from that guy. That capping. Look at that. Ooh, get on. And guys, I don't know what kind of videos to post, so please comment below or something, because I have good games and sometimes I had bad games, and I don't know if I wanted to post it or not. Look at this. Alright, no man, you can't watch that. He was jumping over that fence thingy and got raped by that vector. And yeah, just tell me what do you guys want, or like, can I like post like, look at that knife though, like post good and bad games at the same time, because I do not know how to edit yet. Look at that tech insert. Oh, got owned behind. That KSG though. Oh yeah, I'm playing with my friends right now. Well, not right now. In the game. They're pretty good. And I am running the oh, I should have said this before. I am running the top 3 kill streaks. Right there, you can see on the right. Bottom right. Okay, let me back up a little bit. I'm using the camera still. And I'm trying to get my kill streaks because I just wanted to try to get the last 3 kill streaks because they're really good and overpowered. And I see a lot of people using LMGs these days. It just, why? It's so overpowered and cheap and a newbie-ish gun. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. We tied, I think, kind of. Right, did we tie? No, we won this game. Oh damn, we got raped by that sniper. But you guys will find out at the end of the video. Get on, son. Yeah, you better come back. Did he just get stunned from his own stun? Those hit markers though. Ooh, can't kill me with that shotgun. Ooh, whoops. Come on, come out, come out. And I failed. I did not want to die. Look at that, I'm halfway to my streaks. I'm so, like, I get so nervous. Oh, I got raped. I'm kidding, I got raped. I got owned from that lightning strike. EMP does so much, like, I don't know, it just does a lot. And Remington. Ooh, was that a grenade launcher? Look at that tack insert. The LMG though, well, the hammer is pretty good, to be honest. Gray, his teammate, comes and kills me. These kill streaks are really hard to get sometimes. See, you run scavenger. Good. That failed my Nintendo. No ammo, reload. Yeah. Best spot to reload and kill people. Look at that, I haven't even died yet. Look at that LMG, man. They didn't even shoot me as much as like a regular gun. Not regular gun, as a different gun. And if oh, look at this guy. Oh, I don't know how I killed him. He shot me first. And if you guys hear that noise in the background, that's my PS3 making that noise, cause I don't know, my PS3 is just like that. My fan, the fan of the PS3, I don't know what happened. Look at that guy camping. Okay, hold up. I gotta scratch my knee. Okay. That UAV helps so much. Oh, get on. Get wrecked. That lightning strike though. These people gonna get wrecked. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, that's shocking. Yep, I watch my replays. Cause I live my life. This game is taking forever. I didn't know. I did not realize how long this game took. This is Demolition too. Get on. Oh, what? Look at that! Oh my. That's some fake old stuff, man. That's BS right there. Yeah, you get on. That's what you get. I was like, where's that shotgun guy coming out? Yeah. I did not care if I died. At least I killed him. Look at all these people use LMGs. Oh, even my teammates. Oh, got wrecked. Oh, got wrecked again. Oh, I did not see that attack insert. Did you guys see that attack insert? I saw that. Oh, baby, a triple maybe? Nope. Oh, that was a triple though. That LMG. It has rapid fire on that gun. Because you can hear it go really, really fast. I'm so tired holding this phone. It's like a workout. It's a workout. I work out. Oh, them dishes though. Them dishes. Get right. You think you good with the shotgun? I'm better. See, look at that. No, I'm just playing. I'm not that good. I could do a KSG montage if I wanted to. Best spot to camp at too. Yeah, I love these spots. This is where I get my kill streaks. My PS3 so loud. Thank you for planting the bomb. Them extra points. Oh, got my kill streaks. Need my canine. Get wrecked. Oh yeah. I'm sorry if you guys can't see my kill streaks. I want the swarm. I want the swarm. Yeah. Got my swarm, baby. Need my swarm. Yeah. I'm gonna wreck. Look at this. Oh, it's all me. Oh, yeah. I thought I died somewhere. Guess not. Oh, yeah. Leave my veto. Game over, man. Yeah, we won this no matter what happened. Unless there was an MP. Yeah, we lost. Maybe. They're all in the spawn. Look at that. Like, my teammate right there is going to the spawn. Like, why? I just sprayed and shot everywhere. Don't defuse the bomb. Yeah, good job. And yeah, we won right there. I don't think there's a kill camera, is it? No. Yep, Psycho Award here. 90 and 21. And hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below if I need to do anything or anything you guys want me to post if I can. And peace out.